Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I have 13 surprising uses for hydrogen peroxide for you. And we're starting with number one right here, a good foot soak to help remove those calluses, make your feet smell better, get rid of the stink, kill any fungus right on in there. I like to use about a half a cup to a full cup and let it sit for anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. Let's just start off with a little bonus tip right here. Hydrogen peroxide and Dawn dish soap are great at removing stains from your Tupperware and smells. How about a good produce soak? When I come home from the grocery store, I do a combination of half water and half hydrogen peroxide in my sink. I let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and that way my apples feel less waxy and cleaner. Dishwasher, this is one of my favorite places. I'm going to show you something real nasty here in just a second. Your jaw just might drop. Okay, make sure you are getting the utensil tray in here. Just assume anything that I talk about here is a 50-50 ratio of water to hydrogen peroxide, although you can use straight up hydrogen peroxide, which I have done. Make sure you are also changing that little filter down there that twists off. I made an entire video on it, and then I do like to go in here and clean this area out right here. Kill that fungus, kill that bacteria, because this is a breeding ground for it. Because what happens when you close the door? It gets dark, and yes, they like those dark places. But down in here by the rubber, I just have a napkin. Let me just go along the line in here, and look at that. Look at that crud, nasty. So get all along the side here as well. You can spray it directly on your dishwasher, or you can spray it on something like this. This works amazing. Also in your washing machine to whiten your whites. However, I would put the hydrogen peroxide where you would typically put the bleach, in your wash cycle. Windows and mirrors, this works amazing for that streak-free shine. And you also noted that all of my kitchen towels, sheets, all that remain white because of hydrogen peroxide. Well, we're at it. Let's sanitize those toothbrushes. We're gonna go full bore here with this hydrogen peroxide. I let this one sit for as long as humanly possible. Just make sure that those brushes are nice and coated. Just spray a little on a towel and you can disinfect your remotes. Oh gosh, under a microscope, I'm sure these things are absolutely nasty. Light switches, door handles. Can you see a little white on my finger where I've gotten some hydrogen peroxide? This is great at whitening parts of your body, including your fingernails or your skin if you'd like. Dust mites cannot compete against hydrogen peroxide either. Oven cleaning inside and all around your oven, especially those oven racks. A little bit more here. I'm not even using a scrub pad or anything, and look at how much I've gotten up just on this oven door. Let's just see what else we can pick up. Works like a gem. You see that? This is just from using a microfiber towel and hydrogen peroxide on this oven door. Amazing. And apparently I found a dried olive stuck in between there. And your entire, I mean literally your entire toilet, from inside the tank to outside down around here to inside of your toilet tank. Let this one sit for 10 to 15 minutes to really kill all the bacteria. Let's just check on our toothbrushes right here. If you notice it fizz, that's just fine. That means it's doing its job. This is probably one of my favorites, especially if you have any sort of stain, mattress stain, carpet stain. I'm gonna show you here on my couch, a little hydrogen peroxide. Normally I would use Dawn dish soap, but I'm all out of it and trying to use up this Castile soap if you want something more all natural. This is awesome. Also linked in my Amazon store. So we're gonna go ahead and just make a little concoction right here, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. But while we are here, if you have stinky drains, particularly your garbage disposal, set that on in there, let it sit, do its job. This is also great for cleaning out the soap dispenser tray in your washing machine. I made an entire video on that. As with anything, always test a small area first, or shall I say an inconspicuous area first. One of the dirtiest spots in my house, and yes, I have white couches with 4 small children. I guess that's what happens when you have amazing cleaning hacks. You can get any sort of stain out. But this is where the stains tend to sit in because they climb all over these. They got their dirty fingers coming in from the kitchen. You can use this to freshen up any sort of pillows. The possibilities are literally endless. So not only are you cleaning the area, but you are also disinfecting it. Yes, that's exciting. We love that. And don't mind me, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my stainless steel sink with the extra right here. And it'll be shiny, clean, and smell amazing. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.